is the Design tab in Microsoft Word playing hide and seek with your document editing. You're not alone, and thankfully, bringing it back is usually straightforward with these steps. First, let's check if the tab is simply hidden by your current view settings. Click on the File tab in the top left corner of your Word window. From the File menu, navigate all the way down to Options and click on it. This will open the Word Options window now. In the left-hand pane of this window, locate and click on Customize Ribbon. On the right side of the Customize the Ribbon window, you'll see a list of main tabs. Scroll down this list and look for the Design tab. Make sure the checkbox next to it is ticked. If it's unchecked, simply click the box to enable it. Once you've confirmed the box is checked, click the OK button at the bottom of the Word Options window. And just like that, your Design tab should reappear in the Word ribbon, giving you access to themes, colors, fonts, and page background options again. If, for some reason, the tab is still missing after this, it might indicate a more significant issue with your Office installation. In that case, you might need to consider repairing or reinstalling Microsoft Office. Hopefully, these steps have successfully restored your missing Design tab. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more helpful tech tutorials.